Hi guys, in this video I'm going to guide you on how to turn on or off the display lights on your LG air conditioner. Now this can be very useful if you want to sleep and you do not want any form of light in your room, or for whatever reason you want to do that. There are basically two ways to turn on or off the display lights on your LG air conditioner. Now depending on the type of LG remote control you have, mine, as you can see, has this light off button over here, and to turn on or off the display light you just want to tap on this on or off button. If you do have an LG remote control like mine, once you tap on it, it will go off, and then if you tap on it again, it turns on the display light on your LG air conditioner. However, if you do not have an LG remote control like this one, on your own LG remote control you might be able to find the light 3 seconds label just below the swing button over here on your LG remote control. And for LG ACs with this type of remote control, what you just want to do is to long press on this swing button over here. You're basically going to see light 3 seconds. So you want to just go ahead and long press on this swing button for 3 seconds, and that should turn off the display light if it is turned on. And then if you want to turn it on, you want to do the same thing, just long press on the swing button for 3 seconds again, and that should turn on the display lights depending on what you want. There are also some LG ACs that you're going to find the light button just below the last button on the bottom left hand side of your LG AC. That is this button over here, and in that case you just want to go ahead and long press on the button to either turn on or turn off the display lights on your LG AC. So whichever LG remote control you have, you want to try either of the solutions I have just given you, and that should be able to turn on or off the display lights on your LG AC. If this was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.